The engines are not working. We need to fix them and fuel. We are going to help you. Thank you so much, but we need to fix my fighter as soon as possible. I think that Imperium soldiers are looking for me. If they find out that you are helping rebels, all people on this planet will be in danger. We are not going to leave you in trouble. We will fix your fighter. There's everything that we need on the station. But my spaceship is damaged really badly, and I will not be able to get there. You don't have to do it. I'll use the helicopter to deliver your ship to the station. It's great! I've already called the Batmobile. Don't you forget your pistol. I'm not gonna fight with anyone on your planet, but I'll take your advice. Here we go! I hope that cables will stand the space fighter. They are strong. Take the Batmobile and go to the fighter. I'm going to attach the last cable and join you. Okay! We are going to check now what this helicopter can do. Okay, we can take off now.
You are not going to take this ship from here. I need it for experiments.
The fighter is not going to be occupied by Joker. I'll keep it.
I'll take it apart.
It seems that we are lucky. Good job! To be honest, I thought that the fighter was going to fall on the ground, but you coped with everything perfectly. You are a great pilot. Thanks. And you coped with Joker fast. Now I'm always going to keep my pistol ready.